How to register on Social Pilot. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Social Pilot. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, kindly do well, subscribe, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. So guys, do not skip any part from this video, because if you skip any part, you will miss the important one. Yeah, because the important message is at the end of the video. Make sure you don't skip any part from this video. Okay guys, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp community link and my Telegram community link on the description of this video, because it's not everything I'm dropping on the YouTube. Sometimes if I have legit something or I have any signal to inform my students, I normally drop it in my WhatsApp link or Telegram link. So when you register, kindly do well and join one of the social media link. If it is Telegram or WhatsApp, just try and join one of the link, so that anytime I have a important message, you guys will know. Yeah, so I'm going to drop the registration link too on the description of the video. Yeah, for those of you that want to register, I'll drop the description link on the registration link on the description of the video. So guys, as you just see this app now, the app is new. Yeah, it's new. The platform is new. It's not too long. It's last month. Yes, they just launched it. I would say last month, ending of last month, they just launched it. Ending of May is the one they just launched it. Yes, it's new. They have not even finished like setting up some things, but they said they will still upgrade it. But for now, let us keep enjoying ourselves with it before they upgrade it. So guys, before I proceed, before some of you will start asking some questions, this platform, when you click the link, it will take you to your browser direct. Yes, when you take it to your browser direct, you will see the remaining things you need to do. So before we proceed guys, before you guys will be asking me some questions, the minimum withdrawal in this platform is 5,000. Yes, it's not too much. The minimum withdrawal is 5,000. Yeah, okay guys, let's sign in. I have an account already. Let's sign up on it. Okay, let me show you how to sign up. Yeah, this is sign up. The first one is your full name, the second one the username you want to use, the third one your email, the fourth one the phone number, the fifth one is your password. Make sure you create a password that you will remember. Once you are done filling the information, you are going to click sign in. Create account. So when you click create account, it will show you something like this. After that, then you will now log in on the account. As you can see, I've already have the account, so this is my own details. So I will log in on it. So when I log in on it, as you can see, I've already have 2,100 naira. So guys, in this platform, yeah, when you invite somebody, they will give you 100 naira. I told you that the app is new. Yeah, I know you say 100 naira is too small, or yeah, yes, it's too small, but the app is new. They have not upgraded some of the feature on the app. As you can see here, if you do Facebook tax is 300. Yeah, when you do Facebook tax 300, WhatsApp tax is 500. When you register, they are going to give you 300 naira bonus for the registration. Yeah, as you can see it here, this is the bonus when I register. That is when you register with my link. Yeah, when you register with the link, they are going to give you 300 naira. Let's go to my dashboard. So guys, I'm going to tell you something. Let nobody deceive you to go on Play Store or Apple Store, say you want to download the app. The platform did not have any app yet. Yes, you can only use the link and register on Chrome or Opera menu, anyone you choose, but do not mistakenly download any app that you see is showing Social Pilot. You say is the app. No, that is not the app. Yes, it did not have any app for now. So guys, if you register, this is how the interface will look. Here is your registration, sorry, your invitation link. If you want to invite your friends, your family, yeah, just share it with people so that you too, you will earn on it. Here is the invitation link. Where you see this white thing is shaking, that's the invitation link. So let me show you the withdrawal method. How the withdrawal is, yeah, the minimum withdrawal, as you can see here, minimum withdrawal amount is 5,000. Current balance is 2,100 naira. My current balance is 2,100 naira. Yeah, the minimum withdrawal is 5,000. Once you accumulate and reach 5,000, you can now withdraw. One thing I love about this platform is that they are giving, like, the the tax they are giving is have a lot of money, like has too much, it has money. It's not like that thing of 100 naira. You see, from 300 naira to 500 naira, that's the tax they are giving. And they have different type of tax, yeah. But the ones I'm seeing for now is only Facebook, top, yeah. You can see this Telegram too, they have it, but their own did not start coming. You see, not available on Telegram tax at the moment. So it's only Facebook and Telegram, sorry, it's only Facebook and WhatsApp that their tax is available for now, yeah. And in my next video, I'm going to do a video on how you do the tax, yes, and how to link your social pilots, all the social media you have on your social pilot account. Yes, there is a place you link your social medias on your social pilots so that you accumulate more and more and more. Yes, okay guys, I'll drop the registration link on my description of the video. If you are interested, you can register. If something come new like this, guys, I always advise you people, if something come new like this, try and register, because when you register, that's where you start in time with people. That's why you earn money in time. So once, when the time reach that they will close the app or they will leave the app, they will start misbehaving, at least you have already earned something on the platform. Yes, this platform is new and I'm very sure it's legit. Some of my friend has been cashed out last week. Yes, some of my friend cashed out last week and they show me the proof. That is why I said, let me send it, let me do this video and share it for you guys. Yes, yes, that's the truth. Some of my friend has been has cashed out. The first cash out on this app platform is last week. Yes, because I told you guys the platform is new. Yes, the first people that cash out is last week. Yes, when they cash out, that's how me myself I registered. I believe I registered, because you cannot just go and start tutorial of something that you are not sure of. Yes, that's not bad. You are just spoiling your business, and your student will see you as the teacher that does not know anything. Yes, this platform is legit. Okay guys, thank you guys. Kindly do well, subscribe. As I said earlier, if you are just coming across my video for the first time, subscribe, press the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. If you are having any challenges, just drop it in the comment section. Yes, I will get back to you. Yeah, just bye bye.